Hey there, adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the world of community bike rides in Jefferson City, and let me tell you, it's a real game changer for local bikers. Imagine this, a group of passionate riders, coming together not just for the thrill of cycling but for the sense of camaraderie that comes with it. That's the beauty of these community rides. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about a bunch of people riding bikes together? Well, it's not just about the physical activity. These rides have become a social phenomenon, bringing bikers from all over Jefferson City, and even neighboring towns like Columbia and Rolla, into one big cycling family. It's like a mobile community center on wheels. Here's the deal, these rides happen twice a month, and each one is a unique adventure. Take the recent 10-mile journey starting at Daisy Delight. It's not just about the destination but the experience. Some riders are regulars, while others are newbies, but everyone shares this incredible bond. I find it fascinating how these rides have become a platform for friendship and exploration. Riders like Kimberly, Ritchey, and Schulte, who are already morning cycling buddies, get to extend their adventure into the community. They're not just exercising, they're exploring new places and enjoying the freedom of the ride. And let's not forget the power of conversation. As Debbie Wilson points out, these rides are as much about the chats as they are about the cycling. What makes this initiative even more impressive is its origin story. It all started in 2018 with a grant aimed at creating healthier communities. But here's the twist, even after the grant ended, the rides kept going, thanks to the dedication of organizers like David Bange and Jim Coleman. This shows the power of community engagement, and how a simple idea can evolve into a beloved tradition. The organizers are not just focused on the ride itself but also on making it accessible. They carefully plan routes to include as much flat terrain as possible, ensuring that riders of all skill levels can join. This inclusive approach is what makes these rides so special and appealing to a wide range of people. But it's not just about the ride, it's about discovering the city. As David Bange mentions, these rides offer a unique perspective on Jefferson City. Riders get to explore hidden gems and alternative routes, seeing their city in a whole new light. It's like a guided tour on two wheels. These community rides are more than just a physical activity. They're a social event, a sightseeing tour, and a community-building initiative all rolled into one. So, if you're in Jefferson City and looking for a unique way to explore and connect, these bike rides are the perfect adventure. Who knows, you might just discover a new passion and a whole new group of friends. Keep an eye out for the next ride, and remember, it's not just about the destination, it's the journey and the people you share it with that truly matter.